There we go, I'm on. What's up, guys? So I'm down here editing this video, and the intro that I had for this video from this morning really didn't make any sense. The goal this morning when I went out was to do an MTB slam, but I tried basically everything in the box and I could not get a bite. So at the end of the day, after about 8 hours of fishing and not catching anything, I decided to tie on a whopper plopper, and I did manage to have some luck. So stay tuned, we're gonna go smash some fish. There we go, I'm on. Boom! Another little bass guy. Man, they're right up on the bank. Oh, well, got a topwater fish for the day. That's awesome. Ooh, I don't want a hook in my hand, bud. Chill out, and I'll get you off. Really don't want a hook in my hand. Oh, you got me. I'm bleeding a little bit. Oop. And he's off. Well, there we go, guys. Fish number 2 of the day. Nothing special, but we got another one. I was looking over there and I saw him bust on something, and I mean, they were literally right up on the bank. Well, can we get one more? A couple more, I guess. Yeah, they were right up on the bank. They were on again. Oh, you missed it. There we go. There we go. Bam. That seems a little bit better. Boat flip. Shablam. Ooh, he got hooked good. Stop it. He's only been caught like 10 times. I have to get my pliers out for this one. You seeing any of this? Go. Bass number 3 for the day. That's not a bad one. That's definitely bigger than the other one was. I'm not mad about that at all. He has been caught a couple of times, but he came right out of the same spot as the last one. I just hooked my jeans right over there in this grass. I'm gonna get him back in the water. Oh, chill out, buddy. And get you back in the water. He's ready to go. Get him back in here. There, we're off. Awesome. Let's see if we can do this again. All day long I've been fishing, and I guess I just needed to wait till the very end of the day. Okay. Do this again. fishing right along the bank line here. And, oop. Oh, did I get him? No. Something blew up on it. Ooh. A little bit farther out this time, farther out off the bank. Glad I didn't rage quit. I almost did earlier, to the point where I wanted to throw my damn rod in the water. Ooh, that was no good. That was terrible. That definitely spooked him out of there. There we go. And we're on again. There we go. Seems a little bit bigger. Come on. Come on. And we're in. Shablam. Another one. Cookie cutter size here. But after the day I've had, this is exactly what I wanted. All right, what are we at? Number 4. That's great. All day we fished, and it took till the very end of the day. The wind had to die down, and we started throwing the whopper plopper around, and we finally have had some luck. Let's get him back in the water here. Woo. And he's off. Soaked me. Soaked the camera? No. All right, let's keep going. Keep just casting down the bank here. I'm watching him bust. I'm seeing him bust on other stuff. So I think my plopper's not running right. Nope. Must have my hook jumbled up here. Oh, it's got a bunch of grass on the front too. That ain't gonna help. Okay. What is going on with me all of a sudden? Where's that back? Oh, maybe that's why the hook was stuck together. Okay. And where'd it go? I just chucked that thing. It snapped off. What happened? Huh. Well, that might be the end of our day. That is legitimately the first time I've ever chucked something out in the water like that. That's terrible. That was my favorite plop. All right, well, it was a rough day today of fishing. I was out for 8 hours, and how many spots did I hit? Different lakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is number 6. So 6 different lakes, ponds, whatever you want to call them. I got 1 bite on a wacky rig worm, and then It probably took like 2 more hours, and I decided to throw the top water as the sun was going down, and I caught like 4 within 15 minutes. So at least I caught something. It was a great end to a rough day. I was ready to rage quit about halfway through, throw my water rod in the water. It was this close to that happening, and that doesn't happen to me much, but I'm glad I was able to hook up with something. You know, that's what why they say keep fishing, never stop, right? The great ones out there say that, I guess. You know, you got to keep going. Just because they aren't biting on one thing doesn't mean they won't bite on the other. And then in the fall, time of day can play a big difference in it, I guess. We've had some really weird weather. It's been 90s and then 50s, and then this morning when I woke up it was 32, but next week it's going to be back into the 60s. So the weather is changing, the water's turning over, and that's playing a big impact on the fishing, is from what I can tell. So if you're going to go out this time of year, don't get too frustrated. You got to keep trying, and eventually you'll get something. Switch your baits up, whatever. I tried to do an MTB slam today and I didn't catch anything on any of those baits. So not saying that they're bad, they just didn't work today. I had to slow down, and then I had to use top water. We've had a lot of rain, if you guys, I don't know if you guys could tell, but, and then all the bass had pushed little shad or bluegills or whatever up into the grass that is now flooded. So anyways, I'm gonna end this one. I appreciate you guys watching. It was a long day, but it was a fun day. So stay tuned for the next adventure. I'll see you in a bit.